During Idalia, WBTW helped keep you and your family safe.
This is where the tornado potential is going to be.
You saw where a tornado touched down.
Now you're right, a tornado was confirmed to touch down here by radar.
We had teams throughout our viewing area.
This is video I took just a few hours ago.
We showed you scenes of flooding, which roads to avoid, and more.
Idalia was this season's first major storm, with others possibly to come. Make sure you get fast, accurate storm updates. Download the WBTW News 13 app.